To prepare the right consistency solution, you will need water and also gold strength gelatin, either powder or in sheets. The right percentage is 2 to 5, so for every 2 grams of gelatin you need 5 grams of water. Soak the gelatin for about 10 minutes in water, then warm up till about 45-50 degrees. For demonstration purposes I'm using chocolate melters, but you can also warm up in a microwave or over a bain-marie. With a spoon, remove the impurities. Maintain a clear and free of air bubbles solution. For coloring, use liquid or airbrushing colors. Be careful not to overheat, as temperatures over 85 degrees will ruin your gelatin. Look forward to see you on the next tutorial, where we will create beautiful gelatin flowers.